everybody.
Welcome back to the bathroom demo.
Oh, it's a work in progress, that's for sure.
So what have we done so far?
Tore the walls off.
We have everything stripped down to the studs.
Tore the flooring up. Redid some subfloor. Tore this door out. Put a new wall here.
So originally, as you saw from our last video, we decided to take out the closet in our spare bedroom, I think you'd call it.
Yep.
Upstairs. So there's 2 bedrooms upstairs and only 1 bathroom for the whole main floor. So we wanted to make this bathroom as big as possible.
Yeah, we figured a nice big main bathroom would be better than another
smaller
bedroom. Right?
Yeah. So we lost a bedroom, but we gained quite a bit of space in the bathroom, and Sean took the closet out. So now we've gained basically all the wood you see is what we gained when we took out that closet.
I would have been in the closet right now.
So now it really changes the floor plan of our bathroom.
The only hiccup that we're going to run into is this attic access has to get moved. We got to move it to another room. So,
but our plan is to now have everything on one side of the bathroom, so it keeps this side nice and open.
Yep.
And we're also going to put in a barn door, hopefully, to free up some space.
Yep. Put a barn door here, so this doesn't have to swing in. It'll just slide that way on the.
And we want to find one with windows, so that
this natural light
comes
flows
into
through
the hallway. So we're pretty excited. Say, what's our next step? Plumbing?
Yeah, we got to do some plumbing. Move the plumbing around. Figure out where we want everything to go. And then
take out this insulation that's here.
This old nasty. It's
disgusting.
Like shoved in there. It's like
it's basically doing
almost.
Nothing. I mean,
so we're gonna take that out and
replace it.
Yeah.
And we do have to figure out something with this window. We're thinking we'll do shower block. So yeah.
Yeah.
It's really exciting.
It's a work in progress.
Yeah,
that's for sure.
We love to see the progress already.
This is our 2nd or 3rd project at this place, and we're
big project.
Yeah.
I mean, we've done a lot. But
so glad we brought it down to studs.
Yeah.
And just gonna redo it all.
It was way more than I expected on like the layers of crap we had to rip out.
It's terrible.
Tile, plaster, drywall. It was crazy. We filled, how many dumpsters do you think we filled?
Oh, 6 or 7, 8.
Yeah. Dumpsters.
Oh.
And plus we had loads of the toilet and the tub and the vanity. Right. So anyways, we're really excited. We hope you guys enjoy these videos, and we're just going to keep working away.
That's right.
Hello everybody!
Hello.
Welcome back to the bathroom reno.
We're working on it.
We are working. This is day 325.
Literally been at it for 6.5 years, and we're finally on the rebuild.
No, it's going good. Sean has been working his butt off.
It's a process.
It is, and it doesn't look like much. Hi, Alley Cat. This phase is really hard.
It's the longest, most drawn out. It's all the prep before you start the rebuild.
And the little things that take a lot of time, like plumbing, electric,
drywall. We just started. We got to figure out something to do with the window. We ordered some glass blocks, so that'll be a whole nother project.
But yeah, so far it is just coming along. This is what it looks like. Sean,
it's a process, that's for sure.
They did get the can lights in, and the fart fan is what we call that. And some of the drywall.
Yep.
Up. So we'll have one can light here and 2 can lights over the tub or shower.
And there's gonna be a little closet deal right here, so the tub's only gonna go from there over.
Right.
So.
Because we figured we need a little bit more storage in here with only having one small vanity.
Yep.
The boys are engineering a way to put in a big shelf, and
Yep.
yeah, we're really excited. We got the tub in. I'll show you guys all the stuff that we've got in recently, but it's exciting and we're getting closer to where you put it back together.
Yeah. And the good news is, when we did the downstairs bathroom, we'd get to a spot that we needed like the vanity, and then we were like, oh my god, we're gonna have to order one.
Yes.
So then we'd have to wait 3 or 4 weeks. So luckily this time around we have the toilet, the vanity,
Tile.
all the fixtures, the tile. So when we get to that part, we can just throw it all in and it'll be done.
I'm excited. Good work out of you.
Good work out of you, Brooke. What's for dinner?
Yeah.
Old insulation's out. Putting in the new stuff.
Looks so much better.
I can't wait to get this window out of here. Block should be in the next couple weeks, and then we'll get rid of this old window.
Window will be gone. Put new insulation in. Are you keeping that little ring of insulation? It's fine.
Which one? This one?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's new.
Okay.
So yeah,
Cool.
right along.
Mind the extra noise, but I wanted to show you guys. We got our cabinet in, the vanity, finally. We had to custom order it, and that was not very fun. Doesn't have the pulls on it, the drawer pulls or anything, but it is a soft close, which is nice. The drawers are hard to open without pulls, but they are also soft close. So I'm thinking I'm gonna get black, like farmhouse style pulls, matte black. We're getting somewhere.
Finally starting to look like a bathroom again.
Yes, it is. Is it going okay?
It's going good. Thank goodness for your dad.
He helps out a lot, doesn't he?
He helps us much.
Yeah, I'm so excited to actually have drywall. Come a long way.
It's looking good.
We actually have drywall. Started.
It's all coming together.
Lights, plumbing,
Electric.
electric.
We gotta figure out this window. That's the biggest.
Yeah.
You guys, look at Brookie's glasses. Those are my favorite.
These are my editing glasses.
They're her blue light blocking
Yeah,
glasses.
they're awesome.
They're adorable.
But anyways, I feel like this week was a turning point.
The
don't you?
drywall. When the drywall
Yeah.
starts going up, it starts looking like something
It
instead
finally
of just framed walls.
Feels like a bathroom. So Sean's done a great job, and my dad,
Yep.
getting this place put back together. We're so excited.
Yep. Taping and mudding. This
What
week,
comes
we gotta
next?
get all the joints taped up, corners, and
Yeah. And then paint.
And then it's, yeah.
So I wanted to show you guys the tile that we picked out. This is going to be the floor all over, and this is the subway tile that we're going to have on the walls and the bathtub. So Sean and I are pretty neutral people, right?
Mhm.
White and gray.
Yep.
But we really loved this hexagon design, and it's like marble. You can kind of see it's really pretty.
Really good on the floor.
So that will be on the floor, and then the subway tiles will actually be where the sheetrock is.
Where it stops.
Where it stops, yeah. It'll be on this whole wall, and then the tub will be right here, and it'll be on this entire wall
Everywhere
here.
that you don't see drywall will be tile.
You know what? That's a great way of explaining it.
Right.
So that will all be subway tile. I think it'll look really clean and just simple, which I'm excited for.
I can't wait for the final, the before and after.
I know, I'm so excited, but
done.
just seeing this is awesome. So thank you guys for watching.
Yep, it's going to start coming together in a hurry,
It
so
is.
stay tuned.
We're excited. Thank you.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.